decided to green up my space by planting some flowers. If you want to join in, grab some seeds and you can plant some flowers too. So before we get started, I want to make sure that I've got all my supplies that I need. So for this activity, I'm going to need a couple cups to plant my flowers in. I'm going to need some soil. Whatever soil you have will work. Mine's got a little bit of nutrients in it, but you can use whatever you've got. You're going to want some water. Mine is lukewarm water, so not too hot, not too cold, somewhere in the middle. And finally, you are going to need your seeds. So I've got two different kinds of seeds that I'm going to be planting. I'm going to be planting some buttercup flowers that are going to look like this. And I'm going to be planting some shell flowers that are going to look like this. So once we know that we've got all our stuff together, we are ready to get started. So our very first step is we are going to take our soil and fill our cups halfway with our soil. So I'm just going to add in a few scoops to one cup and a few scoops to the next cup. You're going to want to fill as many cups as different seeds that you are planting. So I am planting two different flowers, so I've got two different cups that I am going to fill up. We don't want to put too many seeds per cup or they'll get a little bit clustered when they grow. Alright, so now that I've got my cups filled, I'm going to pack the soil down just a little bit, not pushing too hard, but enough that the soil kind of squishes together. I'm going to do that to both of my cups. So now you see I've got halfway filled cups with some soil. Our next step, and this is very important to make sure our flowers can grow, is we want to read the back of our flowers to see how deep to plant our seeds. So I've gone ahead and I'm reading my seeds, and I can see that my seeds want to be planted 2 inches deep. So it's important that we try to follow this to the best of our ability to make sure that the seeds can grow. So I'm going to take my first seed, this one is the buttercup seed, and I'm going to place it inside my cup, making sure that I would be leaving about 2 inches. So I think I'm good where I am. And I'm going to want to make sure that I put my seed with the top going up. So you can see my seeds got a little bit of nub on the top. The roots would come out of this side, so I know that my seed needs to go in the soil this direction. So I'm going to put him inside my soil so that he is sitting inside. And I'm going to do that with my next one. So again, we want to make sure that we're putting it upright. So this one you can see it's got a nice clear root on it. So I know that my seed is going to go this way into my cup. So again, I'm just going to put him into the soil. So now I've got my second seed in the soil. So now that our seeds are there, it is time to add more soil on top. So now we remember our seeds wanted 2 inches of soil on top. So we're going to add on those 2 inches of soil on top, patting it down just a little bit as you go. So I think that's good on the first one. We're now going to add some to the second one, patting that down too. So it's okay if your cups are not filled all the way to the top. Mine aren't. I've got a little bit of space, but I know that my seeds are nice and buried and can begin to grow. The next thing we want to do for our seeds is give them a water. So I've got my lukewarm water here, and I'm just going to add a bit of water so that the soil is wet. Now when you're doing this, if you notice your seed starts to float, it could be that you didn't plant the seed deep enough. That is okay. You can dig a little hole for your seed, bury it. Just make sure that it is fully buried in the soil by the end. So the water should soak into the soil. You'll see I've got my nice watered seeds. So my seeds are ready to now find a home for the next few weeks. So I'm going to find a nice sunny place to put my seeds so they can grow nice and tall. You want to read the back of your seeds again to see how much light they want. Some seeds are going to want a lot of light. Some seeds are going to want a little bit of light. So you're going to want to know what kind of light your plant wants. In a couple weeks, hopefully yours turn out as well as mine. Here are some that I planted a couple weeks ago. So I've got my buttercup flower here. He's doing pretty well. And I've got my shell flower here that is also doing quite well. So they look pretty different from each other, but they will be 2 different flowers in the end. Now, there's one more step that you're going to want to do before you actually end up getting flowers. So in a couple weeks' time, when you've got your nice big flowers like this, you're going to wait a couple more weeks for them to be even taller. My guess is they're going to be up to here, nice and tall. You are going to do one last step and get an even bigger pot. So I've gotten one ready. Mine aren't quite ready to go into this pot yet, but I've got one ready here to show you. So when the time comes and my plants are even bigger, I'm going to take my plant out of my styrofoam cup and I'm going to put him inside my pot, filling him up with soil so he can continue to grow in sunlight. Now make sure that you're watering your flowers every time they get dry and you're keeping them in lots of sunlight. And I hope you guys end up getting some nice, beautiful flowers just like mine. Bye, everyone.